Alright, there is breaking news coming. The biggest scam in Bollywood is now taking a more sinister turn. The CBI has claimed that it has a strong case against arrested Censor Board CEO Rakesh Kumar. The officials privy to the probe claim that the real culprit may be some of the best-known names in the film industry who were regularly paying Rakesh Kumar to push through controversial scenes in movies. The film industry was also bending rules by offering money on small certifications, even for promo film certifications and advertisements. As many as 67 agents associated with film industries will be questioned, and several of them will also face arrest. The money trail and investments made by Rakesh Kumar are also under the scanner. The CBI has made it clear as of now investigations also detail the kickbacks taken by Rakesh Kumar, and those kickbacks were taken in cash. Whether these watches are the part of kickbacks or had it been before the CBSE, well, that is the big question. Well, that's the latest coming out after the CBI on Tuesday arrested Censor Board CEO Rakesh Kumar for allegedly demanding 70,000 rupees as bribe for clearing a regional movie. Well, this is just the beginning of a lot more that is now being exposed. We're being told that a lot of top people within the fraternity are also involved in this huge scam which is taking place. The CBI is digging deeper to get more details on this. Well, it is being said that the Central Board of Film Certification CEO came under the agency's scanner after two middlemen allegedly received bribe on his behalf. It was only after that that the arrest was made on Tuesday of the CEO of the Central Board of Film Certification. Sahil Joshi now joining me live from Mumbai on this story. Sahil, the arrest of the CEO only is the tip of the iceberg in this case.
See, right now CBI is investigating. They have called around 7 to 8 agents who work for various producers at the Central Board of Film Certification, and they have also asked CBFC to submit the data from 1st of January 2014. All the data related to the certification happened, censor certification happened at the CBFC office. So it looks like that every movie which has been certified after 1st January 2014 will be under scrutiny of CBI. Right now what CBI is saying that they haven't got much from 3 to 4 agents they have already investigated, questioned. 7-8 agents were asked to come today. At the same time, the agent who was arrested with Rajesh Kumar a day before yesterday, he was taken to the court today. Sarvesh Kumar and Shripati Mishra, they have been sentenced to CBI custody till 22nd of August. But it looks like that the CBI wants that film fraternity should come forward and inform them that what exactly used to transcribe in the CBFC office, how this whole process was happening, whether there are any other films have also given money to Rajesh Kumar for the certification for the screening to happen before time. So all this will come into will be the part of the investigation. But right now the big story is that CBI has asked CBFC to submit all the data related to the certification right from 1st of January 2014.
Also, Sahil, there must be nervous entities within the Bollywood fraternity after these major developments and the arrest.
Yeah, I mean the reactions what we are getting right now is not many people are speaking on camera regarding this. It looks like that many knew that this was happening in the CBFC, but no one is coming forward and speaking about it. So CBI will have to really work very hard to get people to talk. What CBI officials were telling us that even the agents were not talking much. Now what CBI is doing is to understand whether Rajesh Kumar have acquired illegal property in any other city, because right now they have understood that the 3 properties which was owned by Rajesh Kumar was actually belonged to him. It was a legal property, but at the same time the money which was recovered from his house, around 10,50,000 rupees in cash, from where he received that money and what was the source of that money, who were the people who gave that money to him, and the agent who has been arrested in this particular case, any more agents involved in this case or not. So that is what CBI is now investigating into this.
Alright, Sahil, we'll keep coming back to you for more. Of course, we will continue with our coverage on that story.